So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-remove ng photosensitive video sa ating TikTok account. But first, guys, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating TikTok account or yung ating TikTok app. And then pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, pumunta lang tayo sa profile ng ating TikTok account. And dito, itatap naman natin is yung 3 horizontal lines na nandito sa upper right corner. And then tap natin dito yung settings and privacy. And then pagka-open ng settings and privacy, i-scroll up lang natin guys. And punta tayo dito sa section ng content and display. So, hanapin nyo lang guys yung accessibility, then tap natin. And dito sa accessibility, pumunta lang kayo dito sa pinakang lower part. And makikita nyo dito guys yung remove photosensitive videos and may switch button sa right side nya. So, ang gagawin lang natin para ma-enable is i-turn on lang natin yung switch button katulad nito. So, mariremove daw yung mga photosensitive videos na mag-a-appear sa ating account. So, magkakaroon daw ng effects. So, mariremove daw yung mga photosensitive videos na mag-a-appear sa ating TikTok newsfeed. So, once na naka-enable ito. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-remove ng photosensitive videos sa ating TikTok account. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.